What's up, fellow polymaths? In this video of the Java Fundamentals tutorial, we'll be going over default methods. Default methods are methods which are defined inside the interface and tagged with the default keyword. Default methods are non-abstract methods. Default methods enhance the capabilities of interfaces and were introduced in Java 8. Default methods were added for backward compatibility so that older interfaces could be used to leverage the lambda expressions capability of Java 8, such as the for each method, for example. So the syntax for a default method is basically inside an interface, you would just add on the default keyword from that method in the interface, and then you can output whatever you want in that method. So unlike regular methods in interfaces, default methods can contain content inside the method within the curly braces. So now that we have some understanding of default methods, let's go into the code and try them out. Alright, so here we're in the main class, and what we're going to do is create a default method. This interface will be named ball, and it'll contain a default method named throw ball, and we're going to output that in the main method. Alright, so I created the code in the main class. I also created a class called football that implements that ball interface. So let's run the code and we'll see what's happening. All right, so we get our result. The football was thrown. So just a quick note, it probably would have been better to have the interface and the football in their separate classes instead of the ball interface and the football class being inside the main class. But I just did this for simplicity's sake. So just remember that quick note. Again, here we have an interface called ball, and it uses a default method named throw ball. And here we have a class called football that implements that ball interface. And then we override that throw ball and then output our own print line from the overridden throw ball method. So inside the main method, we create the object from the main class, and we create the object from the ball interface. We utilize that new football constructor, and that's basically telling the compiler that, hey, we want to utilize that football class, so we don't utilize the methods that the football class contains. So then after that, we call that throw ball method using the ball object, and then we get the result: the football was thrown. So that's a pretty quick example of default methods. Again, default methods are utilized for backward compatibility purposes from Java 8. And default methods also are non-abstract, so they contain method bodies, unlike other methods in an interface. If this video was of any value to you, then please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.